Installing a PCIe riser card. Note: the right PCIe riser card is shown here as an example. The replacement procedure for the left PCIe riser card is similar. Align the screw holes in the PCIe riser card with the screw holes in the chassis, and then fasten 4 screws to secure the PCIe riser card. Connect the power cables to the corresponding connectors on the PCIe riser card. Connect the PCIe riser cables to the corresponding connectors on the PCIe riser card. Reinstall the following components. Refer to the following videos in the playlist to complete the installation process.